If you're someone who always adjusts for people who never adjust for you, this video is for you. Watch it. Don't be considerate if you're not being considered. Don't be considerate if you're not being considered. Because why do you wanna care about people who don't give a shit about you? Don't be considerate at places, situation, and with people where you are not being considered. Because why would you want to be? They don't give a shit about you and you still care about how they will feel like. Be so for real. Learn to respect yourself enough to walk away from people and situations where you are not being considered. But here's the thing, most of us are taught from the childhood that being considerate or caring about other people is a good thing, so we became the friend who always adjusts, the one who says it's okay, the one who forgives and listens. See, being considerate is not a bad thing. In fact, it's a beautiful quality that you care and understand people. But here's the thing, being considerate without self respect is self neglect. Because in this case, basically, you're telling people that your needs can wait and it's okay if they don't reciprocate the same understanding you give them. But that is not okay. What is more important than people's consideration is you considering yourself and caring about yourself. Okay, so let me tell you about myself. I am the type of person who is very empathetic, that I feel bad for people, I care for them, I even cry for them. Like, that is the level of empathy I have for people. But here's the mistake I made, having empathy for people who don't give a shit about me. I had a friend who I always used to consider, like, I always made sure that she feel seen, like she doesn't feel left out, but she felt completely opposite about me. She did not even feel a little bit care towards me, and when we became friends, I never thought that such a person could do something like this. We often got into fights, and after this one particular very big fight, we literally cut each other off. But after a few months, we started talking again, and I was like, okay, let's forgive her. Like, I completely forgave everything she did, and I was like, I'm not the kind of person, to hold grudges against someone. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna forgive her. My biggest mistake. And in the initial days, we were good, but I started to sense this change in the vibe and energy. Like, I wasn't getting the same amount of consideration I was giving her, and something just felt off. And after some time, we got like into a really, really big fight, and that is when she said to me she doesn't feel a single emotion towards me. I literally cried because of that fight, and she said that she doesn't feel a single emotion towards me. Like, she doesn't feel, empathy towards me, or like she doesn't feel bad that I was crying. My jaw dropped when I heard this. I was being considerate for a person who didn't give a literal shit about me. And then I learned a very valuable lesson in life, that there is no need to be considerate to people who are not considering you. I know we all have someone in our life like this, and my honest advice would be just cut them off. Like, seriously, I know it's hard, but just cut them off. Your peace of mind is more important than anything. I know it's not easy to just cut someone off out of a blue, but trust me, when you will do, you will feel so much better. Like, I know I felt better. I felt like a huge weight lifted off of me, because there is no need to be, in contact with these kind of people. I will give you a very honest and raw advice. People only respect people who respect themselves. The moment you stop tolerating things that makes you feel uncomfortable, the moment you start letting go of things, and the moment you take a stand for yourself, that is when people will start treating you differently. Not because you became rude, but because you stopped abandoning yourself. So the next time you start noticing that you are not being considered enough, be it in friendships, relationships, or any social situations, instead of just understanding and adjusting, try something new this time. Say no, speak up, or simply just remove yourself from the situation, because walking away is not dramatic. Sometimes it's just self respect. And at the end of the day, kindness should go both ways. You shouldn't have to beg people to consider you. And if someone is constantly showing you that they don't value your time, effort, or your feelings, believe them and choose yourself.